Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to split a string at a special character in the JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here, sometimes I want to make it like I want to separate the two strings, right? So here I have just concatenate with the hash, right? So when I try to get that one, in the front end or somewhere else, so I want it to separate it, right? In the URL I have just concatenate with like hello hash world. So in the front end I want to separate this, segregate this. So how we are going to do that? So that reason we are going to use the split method, right, with the hash string. Okay, so what it gonna be returning, let me copy this, or you can just save it and reload this one, right? You can see that this is hello world, right? So when I click hello world, if I go and just add, I want the first one, right? So I just use the split string, this one. If I want the first one also, so I'm going to write this one also with the help of index 1. Okay, in the front end when I try to retrieve. So here you can see that hello world. Okay, so both things can be printed. So if you want before the character, then you can use the 0. If you want after the character hash, then you can put the 1. So this is how you are going to split a string at a special character and get the values of before and after the hash strings. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.